Welcome back to Crypto Housewife channel, and if you've been following me, you know that this is a paper trading account. Started off with 100,000 and I'm down a bit, and I'm only getting into crypto related stocks, ETFs, stuff like that. All right, so I have a trade on in MicroStrategy. In the last video, I bought about $5,000 worth of MicroStrategy, and today I think I'm going to sell out of the position because now, as you know, MicroStrategy holds a lot of Bitcoin on its balance sheet. So let's look at good old Bitcoin. Bitcoin's starting to pull in. I'm wondering if we kind of peaked here and we'll do a pullback. So what I want to do, this is a day chart. Bitcoin's currently at 27,006. And I got to make a decision. Do I think we're going to still climb? Hey, it's Bitcoin. It could happen. But you know what? I think I'm just going to take some profits off the table and sell out of the position. So MicroStrategy, I got 20 shares, and right now the total value is 5,311. So I have $644 in profit. So let's sell out of this position. Sell. All right. Quantity sell. I'm going to put it on market because I know it doesn't fluctuate. There's no crazy fluctuations. There's enough float. So day only. Sounds good. All my 20. So I'm going to get out of MicroStrategy and then I won't have anything. All right, so like I said, this is a bet that Bitcoin's probably going to go down. If not, well, I'm not going to kick myself if I'm wrong because I'm already up 600 on this trade. Okay, trade confirmation. Sell market order for MSTR received. So I will just have to wait it out and see what happens. If you can please subscribe, hit that like, and also I have a playlist and you might want to check it up. It's right up here in this video. A playlist about Investopedia Simulator, so you can follow along what I'm doing, all my trades, good, bad, and ugly. Show it all. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Now go out and have yourself a fantastic day.